Nicholas Del Vecchio ar bas ymlaen. Mab Marco, wrth gwrs, cyn chwaraewr Roma ar Eidal. Ben Burrows ar penedd allan, a mae'n cyrraedd Del Vecchio. Del Vecchio'r ergyd, mae'n gwiro i Agmeyang! Mae Bangor ar y blaen fel ydyn nhw. Mae'r dyfarnwr yn mynd i siarad gan ei gynorthwywr. Oedd Agmeyang yn cam sefyll dyna'r cwestiwn. Fe wirodd yr ergyd oddi ar chwaraewr Rhyl a gyna chwaraewr Bangor. Wel, mae'n edrych fel bod Agmeyang yn cam sefyll o'r cyffyrddiad oddi ar Cauterucci. Ond mae'r dyfarnwr wedi rhoi'r gol. Penderfyniad dadleuol, penderfyniad anodd, a mae Bangor ar y blaen wedi 34 y funudau. Hassel yr eilydd. Y peniad i gefn yr hwydd gan Sam Molyneux. 2 munud barodd o fantes. Oedd hi'n syml. Y gic, y peniad, y gol. Cauterucci, y gwiriad yn un diog braidd gan Creamer. San Martino, Agmeyang. Cadw gafel ar y bêl, mae mor gry. Allan y dawi i San Martino. San Martino, papeth yr odroed chwith na. Y ffigiad. Os na gyfle i groesi. Mae'n gwneud hynny! A peniad gwych gan Simone Rea yn rhoi Bangor nôl ar y blaen. Oedd na 3 chwaraewr o'i amgylch, ond fethon nhw ag atal y gol hon funud cyn yr egwyl. Peter Capten yn hir yn edrych am McIntyre. McIntyre ar peniad ag yn ennill y bêl hefyd. McIntyre at y canol, o Cauterucci ni methu hi, Hassel! Ac arbediad o'r safon ucha gan Brino. Fe oedd Hassel bron a brifo Bangor, ond Brino'n arbed. Fe ddyle Cauterucci di clirio, fe ddyle Hassel di rhwydo.
Oedd hi'n gêm wych, oedd hi'n gêm, oedd ni di asesu Rhyl o dechrau ac oedd bob dim wedi planio, di gweithio heddi ma. Dwi'n meddwl oedd hi'n hard-lifting o'n ddeud, ond oedd yn rhywbeth oedd ni angen fel clwb ac fel mae'n chwaraewr fan'na bod nhw'n gyd yn hapus heddi ma.
Overall, I thought the lads did very well. You know, they showed desire in the fight that we asked them to do, especially in a fixture like this. And they've gone out and done that, and some big decisions have gone against us. You know, you can't look at that always, but I think overall it was a good performance. It's a shame not to come away with anything. We kept the ball good at times, large spells of possession, but didn't really trouble them much in the defensive in the final third. You know, and that's ourselves to, you know, we've got to look at that. But yeah, there's some big decisions that we're not happy with. You know, the lads are hurting in there, and yeah, it's disappointing.
Da ni wedi cyrraedd gêm ys dipyn, ond mae wyn heddi ma wedi codi. Da ni fan'na'n mor gweiddia sgrichen yma. Mae wedi codi garfan ag y clwb i fyny. So, da ni'n edrych lawan ni wedi golwyn be, os oes wedi gwener, so fydden ni'n efo lot of confidence hefyd.
You know, we'll stay focused. You know, the lads are hurting, yeah, but we've got to focus on the next week. We've got a busy 6 weeks now of games. You know, they're coming thick and fast. You know, we've got the Welsh Cup round the corner as well. You know, and this is probably the time now where we'll determine where we finish in the league. So, you know, we've got to stay positive. You know, I'm happy with the performance, not the result. But the lads have dug in deep and they've played for each other there. You know, and that's what we wanted today in a big game.